The length of a rectangle is 3 times the width. The perimeter of the rectangle is 48 inches. What is the area of the rectangle? So for this problem, we're trying to find the area of the rectangle. So you need to first of all know the length and the width, because area is length times width. So to find the length and the width, I'm going to set up a system of linear equations. The first sentence tells me that the length is 3 times the width. So I'm going to use x for the length and y for the width. So the length equals 3 times y. So the length equals 3 times the width. So for the second equation, I have to use the perimeter. The perimeter of the rectangle is 48 inches. So just keep in mind the following. The perimeter of a rectangle is the sum of its 4 sides. So if you take x plus y plus x plus y, it's really 2x plus 2y, where x and y are the length and width of the rectangle. So here, 2x plus 2y equals 48. How do I know it's 48? Because it tells me the perimeter of the rectangle is 48. So I have my system of equations now. If you notice, the top equation is solved for x. X is equal to 3y. So I could use substitution for this problem. I'm going to substitute 3y in for x in the bottom equation, and then I'm going to solve the equation for y. So here's what it would look like. So 2x plus 2y equals 48. Again, for this red x, I'm going to substitute in 3y. I'm going to replace this red x with 3y. So 2, there's my 3y. Bring everything else down, plus 2y equals 48. From here, solve your equation. Do your multiplication first. 2 times 3y is 6y. Bring down the plus 2y in the 48. Combine your like terms. 6y plus 2y is 8y. And then divide both sides by 8. The 8's cancel on the left. And on the right-hand side, do your division. 48 divided by 8 is 6. So y is equal to 6. So now we have to find the other measurement, the x. So to find x, you have to pick one equation. I'm going to use the top equation for this problem. X equals 3 times y. Well, we already know y is equal to 6. So substitute 6 in for that y. So x equals 3 times 6. 3 times 6 is 18. So x equals 18. So the length is 18, the width is 6. But since the question asked for the area of the rectangle, we need to take those two numbers and multiply them together. So since the length is 18 inches and the width is 6 inches, the area is the length times width, which equals 18 times 6, which is 108 inches squared.